Everybody should build in public now. It's not a should I question, it's definitely a must. Just think about it, I suppose you have an idea, we all have. What are your options? 1. Obsess over all the details and build in isolation for years and years hoping that what you're building is the right thing. Or give up on your idea, or you build it in public. You can only pick one. So, no matter what kind of idea you have, I think you should build it in public. And you should also do it fast. Even if you think it sounds silly, it may work. You will never know until you share it with people and see what they think. Some people were selling blankets with sleeves for $500 million. So, there are no right or wrong ideas, it's just a matter of constant execution and having a feedback loop. And now, if my blanket with sleeves doesn't convince you, then let's dive into the top 3 reasons for why you should build in public today. Reason number 1. Building has never been easier. Now, if you were to start a software company just a few years ago, you'd have to get a few developers, unless you knew how to code, a few designers, unless you knew how to design. If the team got big, probably a project manager. If the team got really big, probably a project manager, and so on. And even if you knew how to do everything yourself, which I highly doubt, you only have 24 hours in a day, minus 8 hours of sleeping, minus 8 hours if you're having a full-time job, 1 hour eating, 1 hour cooking, walking the dog, exercising, and so on. It never ends. This is impossible unless you're sacrificing something. But today, you have all of these AI tools that can do the heavy lifting for you. And no, I don't want to be that guy that says AI will replace everybody and everything. AI will just replace those who are bad at their craft, or they are scared to use AI. Everybody else is safe. And now, obviously, for example, if you're bad at design, or if you don't know how to do it, AI will give you mediocre results. But at least you'll have something. It's just a tool to unblock you and make you move faster. Reason number 2. Feedback is crucial. When it comes to building an app, you're either the target audience already, so you're building an app for yourself, in which case you're hoping that others have the same problem as you do, which happens sometimes, or you have no clue what you're doing. There's no in between. And now, to make sure that you're building the right thing, you have to talk to your users. And it's not even about what they say, but what they actually feel, what their micro expressions say. Somebody might say that they want a button here on this form to generate some options for this form field that you have put, but what they actually mean is that they have no idea why they have to fill in this form or why you're asking for this specific information. So instead of adding this button to generate more complexity on top of your form, maybe what you should be doing is just removing the form altogether or making it simpler. And now your job is not only to gather the feedback but also to understand it. And this gets us to the reason number 3. Your journey becomes your resume. Now, even if everything fails, even if you have 0 users, everything you're building becomes part of your resume. And no, I don't mean it like a text on a piece of paper. I'm talking about a blog, or maybe your product hunt profile, or maybe your YouTube channel. You'll never know what kind of opportunities you'll get from this. And this is actually how I got my current position here. Somebody has read my posts, they liked it, and they asked me if I wanted to join their startup, and I was like, how? Why? I didn't even apply. But then I thought about it and it makes sense. Think that you're a business owner and you want to hire some people. Who would you choose? Somebody that accelerated the user growth of their previous company by leveraging key technological advancements in the field of artificial intelligence? AKA they were just sending AI generated messages to prospects that never converted? Or this guy that has a YouTube channel, a blog post where he's documenting his journey, he's building apps and doing all these cool things on the internet? Yeah, now it's obvious to me as well. And now to sum up, you should build in public because it's easier than ever, it's the best way to get feedback, and even if everything fails, nothing is wasted. I hope I motivated you to start building in public today, and I'm curious, what are you building now? Share it in the comment section, and I'll see you around. Bye!